Hey, welcome back. This is the injector out of cylinder number 4 on that Ranger. The camera will focus. There is a little bit of damage to the tip of it. You can see all those white spots. But I'm going to show you how to change these Teflon seals. This seal, this, and this ring. And to do it, you need the special tool 310207 three pieces. And you'll need pliers and a pick. Barely grab the tip of it. And usually they break off. Take this piece, stick it on the end of the injector. Take your new seal, slide it on the end. Take this piece and push. Let's see how it's really loose. That's when you take this piece, big end, little end. Take the big end, slide it on there, turn, push. You hear it snap. Now just let it sit there for a minute. Pull the clip off, get a pick, pop that off. And these are actually split. Pop that off. Flat side, dot side goes down. New O-ring, new clip, hole in the back of the clip, line on the back of the injector, and that's it. Pull this off. See how it sits on there now? That's how you change the O-rings. The Teflon seal, the O-ring, and the spacer. And then you just put a little bit of oil around it, shove it back up inside there. This keeps tension on it when you bolt it down. But there is some slight damage to it. Whatever was bouncing around in cylinder number 4, I think it's part of the piston ring. Anyway, appreciate you guys stopping by. Love you. See you on the next one.